We're talking with Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures right now. He's in Chicago, and let's dive into our livestock trade, see what it's up to today, or not. On the live cattle, we now have the December contract 32 lower at 110.30 per hundredweight, and you have February dropping just 15 cents. We're at 113.10. Now, if you recall, on the livestock summary from Friday, we had the cash cattle market basically about steady last week. They ended up Friday at about 111 per hundredweight, so they didn't really accomplish anything up or down. There you have it, the steady prices there on live cash cattle. And by the way, the dress basis sales, they were in a range of 171 to 174 last Friday, so they didn't change much either. Not enough cash hog market activity to compare to the previous day, but they did have a price of $44.96 on average. Carcass basis were not available on Friday as far as what the trend would have been. Now let's take a look at the lean hog futures. Here we go with a lean hog trade, and on the quotes here provided by bar chart, everything up $1 on the nearby contracts. December up $1 and February too. It's up $1 at 68.25. Let's go back to Oliver Sloup here. Oliver, a lot of firmness in the lean hog trade today. Any idea why?
Well, we've seen a lot of momentum here over the last couple of weeks, and we're kind of right back up towards the top end of the range that we saw from the end of October and the beginning of this month, close to that 68, 69 area. We have so far marked lower highs. The spike high from November 6th was, I think, 68.82.5. That's going to be the barrier. Until we see a conviction close out above that level, the bears remain in control here in the very near term, so we are working with some clients to step in on the sell side as we are on the cattle complex as well. We've been pretty upbeat on cattle over the last couple months, but we're starting to hear that optimism around the cash market might start to wane a little bit. We've heard that packers are pretty well bought up right now, so we wouldn't be surprised to see cash subside just a little bit. You've mentioned 111 coming in last week. We're kind of looking for that to dip back down a little closer towards 110 this week and see a little bit of a drop and cutout as well. So we are working with some hedgers and speculators on the sell side here for February live cattle in that 113, 114 area.
And the Dow Jones Industrial Futures right now, the December contract, dropping big time, down 344 now at 29,530. Oliver, thanks for all the information this morning. Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Janet, back to you.